sikuyo, it's going to fall. Why? Because it's imposed upon the majority of African people. It's not indigenous. All over the continent, Amakhosi ashelele move. And the Amakhosi have the biggest constituency. Makungavuka Amakhosi sasa iyaphela yonke lento le. But manje bathulele.
Remember behavior.
Hey. So masikhuluma ngombuso wakusasa. Sikhuluma ngombuso womoya. That's the first thing. The mbuso must be informed and grounded by umoya. Why? Because we are now able to understand the laws that govern the universe. Just the knowledge of the laws that govern the universe. We know ukuthi mesifuna into ethize sicela ngasiphi isikhathi. So the government of the future has got to be informed by that. Otherwise uzosibusa ngenyama. And the inyama we've seen, it has failed. All over. Ubani ongangitshela ukuthi angaka resuscitate the system esikuyo. Ubani ongarepeat ibe something else. Nobody. Why? Because vele it was faulty right from the start. It was faulty, not only faulty, but it was crime. Hey, it's a fruit of crime. The government is school. When they patronize umhlaba wami bathathe even my wealth, bayofaka under this constitution. They are now protected by this document. In the first place, thina asiyazi property right. Lento ukuthi wena you must be secured nabantwana in generations bakho ukuthi no wena ubelonga umhlaba wakho lo. In the African sense akekho umuntu onumhlaba. Umhlaba belongs to Mvelinqanqo noMkhulu. For us to use it, babeke inkosi as a custodian to keep order. Mangidinga umhlaba mele nginkosi lapha ngiyokhala. Dabezitha ngicela lokhu nalokhu athi hamba ubona indawo ubuzo makhelwane ukuthi si free na. Masi free ngiyangena ngiyabuya ngiyamtshela already kune agreement ukuthi le ndawo sokweyami. Abamniki bayibizani yini lento? Title deed, abamniki title deed. I-title deed asiyazi. I-title deed isengabelungu la. To justify ubutsotsi babo. But no, unkosi udingani ukhulumile nathi. Naku sayini. Sayinani unkosi udingani angabe ngazi noku-understand. Yini lento yokusayina. Bafika nje bamtsotsa. Then they come to you and say, no, Tina, as abantu abamhlophe, sathola imvume yokuthi sithathe lo mhlaba. I would say bawusebenzise, bawuthathe as theirs. So, lento, the property rights are enshrined in this constitution. And remember, Guti, there are bilateral agreements with all countries of the world that were signed by our Baba Betu. They agreed with Canada. When a Canadian come to South Africa and buy land to develop, they are going to be protected. It's signed. We can't change that. Uma kumele sishintshe kuzomele silwe. Yingakho sithi impi isesangweni. Kunyakaza umkhonto ikhona lento ezayo. So the only way esingayistopha ngayo lento ezayo ukuthi raise the conscious level yabantu abamnyama. Let us stop wasting our efforts in trying to assimilate to these people. Let us try wasting our effort ukuthi sifuna ukuthandwa yilabantu bangasithandi. Let us focus on building ourselves. Now last loco, siyake nje yasike sibakhohlwe completely. Yingakho i-calendar and the adoption and the celebration, a collective celebration of the African New Year by Africans themselves. It's very important. It is the first step. It is the first step where we can demonstrate that black unity. But without love, we won't be able to succeed in all other things. The pull down syndrome is still there. We need to clean. Ungafaka imali unginikeze 20 million. Ngakhe isakhiwe sihle la. But now because udala usanalento ukuthi ufuna uvuka ngayo. Won't support you. Ngoba umqondo wakhe usakhula. You need to assist umuntu omnyama to deal with the mind. To say before ngiyonikeza ezinye izizwe the mind, let me check amongst our people. Phone around. Hey man, ubani producer lo, ubani wenza lo. That's how normal people so there's no future for umuntu omnyama la. Umuntu omnyama mele aye ukuyikhohlisa. Do things ourselves. Plan for 100 years. It doesn't matter ukuthi kungena bani as the president or prime minister. They implement the decisions that were taken by a collective of Chinese people. That is the mindset la kumele sibekhona as black people. By clarifying la emqondweni wethu, because when you change the hard drive, defragment, you need to replace it with something. Replace in your mind Western philosophy with Kemetic philosophy, which is African philosophy. It's there. It's all over. Akekho umuntu who can claim ukuthi no, mina I'm ignorant, angiyazi lento. Kanjani? When it's all over, the internet. Into engichazayo nje ukuthi youth, they are embracing it. And that is the future. Because kusasa sifuna usitshele ngabo Einstein, ngabo Newton, because those were students ka Imhotep. Tell us about Imhotep. Tell us about Imhotep. All these great people. Tell us about Yobo Hatshepsut, Mqaphikazi that ruled. Usitshele ngabo Asantewa. Asantewa meke bona amadoda ukuthi amavaka. Wathi nina benihluleka ukudila nalento. Mina as the queen of Ghana, I'm going forward. Mqaphikazi zami. Those are people we need to know about. Yeah. Abonzinga. Kula Mozambique. Mqaphikazi. Where Mqaphikazi? Because of the Zulu nation affected the whole continent. Remember Kutusha, they say Figele Tanzania. Tanzania, okay. Kunamazulu lapha eTanzania. Namhlanje. Hey, besenza amasiko akwaZulu. Nase Congo. Hey. Hey. So Ubkosi Bagwazulu was that influential in terms of its, growth. Mqaphikazi, Mantiatis. Those are great queens. So you need to know that information when you stand in front of us. So that language is dying. It's dying its natural death. So silana mhlanje to say to ourselves, remind ourselves, because yonke lento esisho esikhulumayo ila kuwe. You know this information through what is called genetic memory. You have this information. It's nothing new, let me show. Ma ungahlenga nje umqondo wakho ukuthi colonize wena qala. Uzobona ukuthi umqondo uyakhumbula kancane. Because wena uphilisa idlozi beliphila before. So umoya wakho mdala kunomzimba wakho. So yonke lento lesikhuluma ngayo ngememory, it's within you and nowhere else. But imagine you won't be able to access, those Akashic records if you're still colonized. If your pineal gland is still closed, you don't have the third eye, Isolomoya. That's the difference. That is why you will, they are beyond their redemption. Beyond redemption, umuntu ati that's lento ngiyayizwa. Kepha ingixabanisa ne-foundation yami. Mina ngazi uJesu ukuthi kuso. Bakhona abantu abanjalo. Athi yazi mfethu ngiyakuzwa, it makes sense lento oyishoyo. Kepha mina sengambe ibanga elide nale nkohliso the last that is saying to you. Hey. So these are people ke umelanga mele sibe nesineke ngoba ngeke sifane, and our calling will never be at the same time. Abanye abantu they respond to a calling after some time. Uze umuntu emdala anasebenza ngena Mkhulu kuthiwa ngithwasa angisena madolo ngizenza njani. Lento boyazi but wayignora ngamabomu ulokhu ubaleka wena. Yakhipha nasekwahanyana bathi khipha kwahanyana ngikhipha esontweni ithini la bakubona ubhodle njengengonyama esontweni bathi hey wena uyahlazana umoya uthi angifuni la uyeke lento so ibambe later. So ungabi njalo mama ungashoni, because ilento lesikhuluma ngayo ukuthi it's the entrapment of the third degree. You can't move over to the heart chakra when we are trapped lapha ku third degree. Uzo-reincarnate definitely. Uzobuya uzohlupha. If uhambe umdlwembe uzobuya umdlwembe owasi
bakhona.
Ijalo ukuthi le khona amadlozi mina mengiphahla ngiyawamisa ngithi imidlwemba yime kusondele lamaqhawe namaqhawekazi. Asifuni le mimoya le emibi that actually sold us. Uthi inkosi uhambe wena ngoba wena ufuna le mali. You are selling your people to slavery America. That is what some of our kings did because of the ego. Now they are greedy for material possession. Ubukhosi into yomoya. Ulala le phansi kutapete until your whole community is sorted. Then mese be sorted bazowakhela wena ke imention, not the other way around. So isifundo ke leso ke makhehlo mina bengithi ake sizi umuntu oyinkosi kumele anikezwe ikusasa namhlanje. And how to get there, the steps to get there. That is why noma ungathi uyasiphinda thina ngenkulumo lamade yakumbala iningi nalokho. In the late 80s, ukukhulunywa abafana laba batshontshimonde bathi banephinda, meaning ukuthi you steal, then you create a copy. You understand?
Replica.
Leyo nto leyo wena khehla uzwe, be wise, learn from abantu abazama ukubonisa indlela. Ungajaheli ukwenza carbon copy ube yi-Pythagoras. You go and learn grade 1, then you want to go and teach. Ufundeni, because ugcine ku grade 1 wena, that's all you observe. Then when so ufuna manje ukuyovula i-setup yakho, you want now to be like your teacher. Evilness, ubudlwembe, because you are further dividing abodade. Thina we assemble people for the one purpose, to unite them, so that when we are united, we are able to demonstrate our power as a collective. So when, because you are driven by materials, you want to shine. Kanjani? It took us a long time. Sifunda abantu abanje ngabobabhoka, abantu abanje ngababakredo, abomathole laba noma sekejikile. But safunda khulu kubo. We learned a lot from them. Azange sijahe manje thina sokuthi no, now sengithole 11-1 grade A. Sengikwazi nje uku-interpret transmutation. Then sengiyazi about Kemetic philosophy. You know nothing, Kev. It takes years. Ngoba you're not only dealing with the spirituality somuntu,